Hello and welcome to the introduction of this course. I'm terribly excited to be working with you, and we have a couple of talking points we need to go over first before we start. Practical. This is supposed to be the most practical course possible. We will go straight into video editing because this is what you came here for. Basics. It would be helpful if you know a tiny bit about video editing or Camtasia in general, but if you don't worry, I will call out all the features that we will be using while we edit a video. However, you must know that I'm a big advocate of practical learning. I don't like to just go feature over feature over feature over feature. I prefer to show you how those features are used in a real project, a real video, and this is exactly what we will be doing in this course. Camtasia. Obviously, you need to have Camtasia installed on your system if you would like to work alongside me. You can download a free trial from the TechSmith website. Just go on techsmith.com, go to Camtasia, you can download it, make an account on TechSmith, and you should be good to go. Resources. The beauty here is that you can download my resources and start working right away. You will have a recording of my camera, you will have a recording of my audio, you will have additional footage files, so you can use them right away. You will go to the next section where we start to build our first scene, and you will be prepared once you download the custom resources that I've prepared here. Screen recording. Screen recording with the Camtasia screen recorder will be explained at the end of the course because here we'll go straight into video editing. But don't worry, everything will be covered, so you will learn the screen recorder as well, but it will come at the end of this course. The last part, who am I? Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm a freelancer and an online course creator. You may know me from my previous courses or tutorials. I don't want to advertise myself. Let the video editing above you tell you the entire story, and you will be the judge of that because this is what you came here for. You came here to learn Camtasia. You came here to learn video editing and become advanced at this very thing. So let us start. Let's not waste any time, and I will see you in the next lecture.